Oh,
oh, look what we just got. Ooh, chow!
Yeah, not exactly what we needed. We needed a bearings. But
yeah, no, well, we'll take it. Well, at least we get the back done. So here. This is befuddled by the British. That must be a really dull razor blade. Jesus Christ, that came close to fun. Stay away from him.
It's a dull blade. Jump.
These guys, it's K-Tune, a Canadian company. Some quality. I know everybody goes, oh, progressives. Nah, man. This is where it's at. These are real coilovers.
These are pretty nice.
Fully adjustable.
They package them pretty well.
Look at, I mean, it should just, you know, made in Canada. You're anti-American. So which ones are these?
I don't know. Yeah, I think these are the front.
Come with their own hardware.
Oh,
look
the rear.
Look at that.
These are the rears.
Yeah, those are the rears. I mean, look at the quality. How much these run you?
With tax, it was like $9.15.
$9.15. How much? What would you pay for a set of progressive? Or
Progressives,
with the Coney? What do they call it? The Coney yellows and the ground control.
About 800, 700, 800.
And these are 32-way adjustable, adjusting your dampening depending on what you need. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna talk shit about them.
Oh, but these are nice.
You know, you're not using sleeves like everybody. Oh, just run the Coney yellows and the ground control. Garbage. But they've been tried and true. Well, what else have they tried? You know.
Those are in.
Yeah.
That's nice. Now we're just waiting on some other Canadian parts.
Yeah. Some other ESM. Where our shit? Where is our shit? Anyways,
Our stuff.
Our stuff. Our stuff. Oh, look what just came in. It's a tiny box. It's a tiny box. So, very well wrapped. ESM tie rods. What?
What's going on, fellas and ladies, if you're watching? Alright, so still working on the CRX. Gonna put the front suspension components on, the steering knuckle, the fork, lower control arm, the coilover, the upper control arm, and then I forget what that other one over there is. I already did one, but I didn't put it on camera because I was trying to figure out a bunch of different things. So now that I know, I can show you guys how to do this. Pretty straightforward stuff, but either way, I'm gonna set the camera up so you guys can. Actually, this is gonna have to come out to put the axles in, but that's not until later. Way later. But that is the install. Looks pretty fancy, I would say. Got the nice little blue. Matches the blue of the car. Was really hating the fact that I had to clean up the whole wheel well, but Beaver was right. It does look really nice. So it's the little details, I guess. So alright, so threw the hub on, or the disc. So that's kind of what it'll be looking like. That is the install of the front suspension components.